I decided to do a recording on my balcony. Interesting spot, I know. Not the best, I would say. You can still hear the room. You still hear some building going on. My plant is here. The one I picked up. Clean it up, put it in a new pot. We'll see how it goes. I'm still wearing that earring. I didn't take them off. I thought I was gonna do more recordings last night, but didn't seem to be the case. I just put my really dark sunglasses on that cover most of my eye. Just did my own thing. It allows you to it allows me to zone out of the world in a way that, I don't know, as if in a way that makes it seem that other people can't necessarily see me. I don't know. Pigeon. The parakeets are not here right now. Might be a good thing. My parrot is here though. He's chilling down here. Привет, Соля. You can hear me. Should I sit like this then? Just have him in the background always. Should I have this to plan out my day ahead? Because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, to be fair. For some reason I can't get myself to necessarily do creative activities when I'm at home, for some reason. And I feel like even though I don't have that craving to start something, I think I just need to force myself to begin. And as I'm doing it, I'll realize, oh fuck, yes, I actually really enjoy it and I do want to be doing it. That's the thing I struggle with the most in my creative journey. That would be a good idea, actually. Where's my boy? Here's my boy. I warmed him up this time. 30 seconds in my microwave was not enough. It was just like warmish. I can still feel the warmth. I want to buy some. He smells like lavender as well. I was thinking of buying a lavender spray so he stays smelly, nice for a while. But yeah. I decided to call him Misha. Misha. He'll be my little friend that I take along. Little friend. If you can see, yeah, this, and it goes like all the way up there. It's like basically the length of me. Satin pothos. Yeah, I really like it. It like always prospered. I just put him in one place and it was never like annoying or trying to die on me. No, always growing, always getting there. And definitely one of my favorites. Yeah, he's still chilling there. He wants to be... Should I go in? I'll show. You'll meet Surule. Check this out. I was looking at one of the leaves that was like falling off, and there's a little heart. Wait, there's a little heart in there. A little hole in the shape of a heart. Why are you flying around? What's up? He can talk. Привет. But in Russian. So yeah, you won't understand. Дай бучу. That basically means give me a kiss. Say hi. He doesn't understand English at all. Скажи привет. I enjoy showing his reflection to him. I feel like out of my house, I'm the only one that does that. Like put him towards a mirror or highly reflect. Like he is interested in it. He keeps trying to look into the camera or the screen, I guess. Hmm? Hmm? The other plant that I took from the street started blooming. Kind of mad. Yeah. Alright, I think I'll just chill here with him until the video is done. I don't know what else to do. At least I have company now. This is the first other living being that joins me in a recording. He can talk as well, so it's like, it's genuine company. I don't know how well he processes what is actually being said. Give me a kiss, he does understand. There we go. Say bye now. The video is gonna end soon. Oh, yeah, he's coming up. Oh, he's trying to climb the thing. Чего ты? Скажи пока. Oh, he said bye. Okay. See you.